And so I want I want us to go through the Nekta management system, which is the Form 4 project. So first of all, I want us to run through the tables. So in Nekta management system, I identified some of the tables, which is farmers product, farmers registration, purchase from farmers, the sales table, services and products, the trainee and the transport. So these tables, they store information where the user will be inputting the information using the forms. So let's see what is in farmers products. So in farmers products, it contains the fields ID, the description field, and the price per kg field. So in this table, farmers registration, the farmers registration table will be storing the details of the farmers. For example, it will contain the field of the farmer's ID, the name of the farmer, their phone number, and whether they are female or male, and their county of residence. So let's go to the purchase from farmers table. So the purchase from farmers table, this is the table. As you saw in the description of the question, there are some products which are being bought from the farmers by the company. So the company buys some product from the farmer. So those transactions will be stored in this table called purchase from farmers table. So in purchase from farmers table, we have an ID field, name field, the product ID, the product. So the products which are being bought from the farmers are honey and bee products, right? Yeah. So and then the cost per kg, the quantity. So the total price and the payment method, those will be computed using forms or queries. We shall see that later. So let's go to another table. Another table is the sales table. The sales table, this stores the record for the sales made by the company. We saw that the company sells some of the items. So we can see those items: single package, mini package, full package, accessories, honey extractors, and harvesting kits. These other fields will be computed using forms or queries. So let's go to another table. Another table is services and products. So in services and products, these are the services and products that the company sells to the farmers. Previously, we have seen in sales table. So these services and products are rates that are contained in the sales table. So in this table, we have the following fields: item ID, the item name, the cost per unit as it is described in the question, the services, the price per kg. So let's go to another table, the trainees table. So as the question, the company offers some training services to the farmers. So these farmers who are being trained, they'll be called trainees. So their records will be stored in the trainees tab. So in this table, we have the trainee ID, the trainee name, the farmer's ID, which is a lookup wizard to the farmer's registration table. And if the fee is paid or no, so it will be drop down arrow. Select either yes or no. Then the status will be generated automatically using forms. Okay. So let's go to another table, the transport table. As you saw in the question, the company also offers transport services to goods bought by the farmers from the company. So the transport table contains the field ID, the farmer's name, the item transported, the item ID, the quantity, distance, transport cost. So transport cost will be computed automatically using forms, and also will generate the transport cost using queries, and all, maybe the date, maybe the vehicle number, but it's not necessary. So having done that, so that's just an overview of the tables. So in our next video, we're going to cover on to do something on queries, just an overview. Then we'll go to forms, then reports. Thank you.